Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the felt gasket on the Kamado Joe Classic. I'm over here. My gasket is the original one ever been changed. Look at this, it's all look nasty. So I bought this new one from Amazon. It's just a regular felt gasket. And all you need is just like a razor scraper like this, and the regular scraper. I use this mostly for cleaning up the inside, just like this. But this right here is very helpful. I already started a little bit here, as you can see. See if I can focus better. There we go. So all you do, just make sure you got a new blade on your razor scraper, and then just work your way up like this. As you can see, look at this nasty gas, and then you just gotta work it up like this. It's a very slow process, so you need like 2 hours maybe. So before you start this, make sure you don't have anything else to do, because it's gonna take a while. Or let me work on this, and I'll be back with the updates. So that didn't take that long. I got the surface, the felt gasket, and now just gotta remove the glue. So this is the hard part right here. Also gotta do the top one. I didn't touch the top one. Top one is a little bit better condition, but yeah. So this how it's supposed to look like, just like that. So you gotta go very slow and get all this nasty glue out like that. I'll get as much as possible, and then I'm gonna get some glue remover or something, and see how that goes. As you can see, I already made a mess in here. It's a very slow, very slow process. Let's see. Yep. Okay, let me work on this, and I'll be back with some updates. Alright, so I scraped down as much as I could. As you can see, it comes very hard off. Even I just put a new blade in here as well, and it's very rough. I mean, you probably can do it, take everything off, so it's gonna be very clean, but it's gonna take like 5 hours. So I got some of a Go gun in here. It's a glue remover, and I put some on the paper towel here. Let's see if this is gonna help or not. You nasty, like this. I think this will do it. I'll keep scrubbing, and maybe get lucky. So let's try this again. Well, I'm gonna work my way out again with some more of this glue remover, and get as much as possible, and then we'll be ready for the new gasket at least on the dome right here on the bottom side. All right, let's get to work. Okay, I'm back. That took a while. So I scraped down with the Go gun, with the paper towel and this stuff, and then I scraped down more, and it softened up a little bit, so I just keep scraping, and now I just brush it clean. It looks like this. It's very hard to take this off right now, so I'm just gonna leave it. It wasn't leaking before, so this gonna be an improvement anyway. So the top I'm gonna skip for now. I'm gonna do next weekend when I have more time. And the problem was like the bottom was the problem, because it was missing this part right here. So I got one piece like this long. I measured, and it should be fitting in here. So I unpeeled a little piece right there. I'm gonna start from here. So I'm gonna have the seam over here. Hey, let me start, and I'll show you. Alright, so the glue is very good. It sticks right on. Let me focus more right there. So don't unpeel this stuff all the way down, just do a little bit, and then unpeel a little bit like this, and work it up just like that. Just like that. Make sure you line it up in the front over here, and it should be perfect width, so it's gonna match up perfectly. Work your way up like this. Go around and just cut it off, make it nice and even. Alright, let me finish this, and I'll come back with an update again. Alright, the new gasket is in on the bottom. It looks original, it looks OEM. I messed up a little bit here on the seam, but that should be fine right there. Looks very nice, very flush and everything. So I'm just gonna close this down. Perfect. the weight of the lid. This is very heavy. You don't have the spring like the Classic 2, so this keeps the nice and keeps it pressed down nice and tight. So yeah, this is it. All right, now we're gonna fire this up and test it now. All right. Okay. I use a B&B lamp charcoal in here. I like it. 20 bucks for 20 pounds, not bad at all. Alright, let's see. Make some smoke in here. Gotta clean up all this mess down. That's from the old gasket. Gotta use the broom, take it off. But yeah, it looks good. It should hold temperature and everything, so you don't change this very often, but when you have to change it, you gotta change it. I'm gonna do this one on next weekend. Alright, so far so good. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.